Hello, Woodway Wildcats. We are going to continue learning about standard, word, expanded, and picture form today when we get into our numbers. And today we are going all the way to the thousands place. So let's dive in and look at some vocabulary that we learned yesterday. We have standard form, a way to write the number using only digits. Okay. So we learned this one yesterday. The number is written just out, 364. Expanded form. Okay, to write it using only the place value digits, so we can do 300 plus 60 plus 4 equals 364. And then using the words, so we have 45, and then we spell out 45. Okay, and remember, on Google Classroom, you have the little link where you can look at the way that you spell the words in case you have any questions and you want to make sure that you spell them correctly. So let's dive into our lesson.
After three, it's a comma, you see, and that first comma there. That's a thousand comma, didn't you hear? 1, 2, 3, digits for me. When there's three, it's the hundreds, you see, 321. When those three turn to 4, you pass the hundreds and a comma's a store. 1,320. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand, don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand, just say thousand like this. Say the number you see in front of the comma. When you see the comma, say thousand. Then say the number you see after the comma. 9,402. 52,486. 255,321. 1, 2, 3, comma B. More than three, it's a comma, you see, and that first comma there. That's a thousandth comma, didn't you hear? 1,320. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand, don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand, just say thousand like this. Say the number you see in front of the comma. When you see the comma, say thousand, then say the number you see after the comma. 8,888. Number 10,888. 88,888. Number 10,888. 888,888. Number 10,888. 1, 2, 3, comma. More than three, it's a comma, you see, and that first comma there. That's a thousandth comma, didn't you hear? Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand, don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Now try to say these numbers on your own. Don't forget what to say when you see the first comma. 3,678. 57,821. 321,654. 1, 2, 3, comma. More than three, it's a comma, you see,
Okay, we are going to stop the video right there, and we are going to start working with thousands. Okay, so as you can see right here, standard form. I'm going to give you a number in standard form. So in the video, they used 1,321 a lot. Okay, so let's use that. 1,321. That's going to be our standard form. So we're using only the digits. Okay? Now let's do that in expanded form. So expanded form is a way of writing the number that shows each place value digit. Okay, so remember this one from yesterday, 300 plus 60 plus 4 equals 364. So let's try it with our number for today. Okay, so I'm going to write it out. So we have 1,000. Okay, because we have a 1 in the thousands place. We can also look at it like this. 1,000, 100, tens, and ones. 1, a 3 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens, 1 in the ones. Okay, so that's why we have 1,000 plus 3 in the hundreds place. Okay, a 2 in the tens place. So that 2 represents 20. So 1,320 and a 1 in the ones place. Okay? Now, for that same number, let's look at word form. Word form. Word form is the number written out in only words. So for example, like we did yesterday, 45, and we spelled it out 45. Now we are going to do the same thing for this number. Okay, so the first thing we have is 1,000. Okay, and then we have 300. 300. How many tens did we have? 2, so we have 20. And 1. So we read that 1,321. Okay, 1,321. And then picture form is what we've been used to using. Okay, we've been using that for a while. So it says using base 10 blocks to represent the number. So remember when we do our thousands, it's going to look like a square with a backwards little L on top. So for this one, we have 1 in the thousands. Okay, we have 300s. 1,320 and 1. Okay, so this is the whole thing right here. 1,321, 1,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1, 1,321, 1,300, 10, 20, 1. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, for this number, we're going to use, in standard form right here, we have it. We have 1,123. And remember, I have my comma, so 1,123. Now we're going to go ahead and write this in expanded form. Okay, so we have 1,000. Doesn't look like a very pretty 0. Plus 100, only a 1 in our hundreds place, plus 20, plus 3. And that equals 1,123. Now let's do that one in word form. Okay, so we have 1,000, 123. Okay, so we have 1,123. Now, let's use a picture form really quick of this one. So remember, our thousands look like a square, backwards L, 100, 1,000, 120, 1, 2, 3. 1,000, 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123. 1,123. Okay, you guys feeling good so far? Let's do another one. All right, so we have 1,184. Okay, so this is the standard form. Now I want you to pause this video if you're doing it by yourself, and I want you to try to do it on your own, filling out expanded, word, and picture form. In class, I'm going to give you a few minutes to work on it by yourself. All right, expanded form. Expanded form is going to look like 1,000, okay, plus 100, 100, plus 80, plus 4 equals 1,184. Word form. Our word form right here is going to be 1,000. And remember to use your sheet if you need help. 100, 80, 4. And last but not least, our picture is going to look like this. 1,000, 100, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4. Okay, so 1,000, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to do this one all by yourself and pause the video and come back and check and see if you got everything correct. All right, did you get it correct? Check your answers on this page right here. You can pause it and check to see if you got these right. Don't forget about your assignment today in Google Classroom. Okay, if you go to Google Classroom, you can find your assignment under Wednesday Math Lesson. When you click on it, there's going to be the Pear Deck for today's lesson, and this video is going to be right here. So make sure you're doing your work. Let me know if you need anything else, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Happy learning!